supposed to say? If I've been on the right track, all I do is deal constant displays. Cause I don't wanna bring too much attention on myself, can't change a thing. When you stuck inside your hometown, living out a life that's settling. But then again, who isn't?
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha. This is just going to be a little daily vlog of my adventures here in South Lake Tahoe. We're just going to be here just for the day and night probably. We're camping nearby on up on the Highway 50. It's your first time in Tahoe. What do you think?
It is beautiful, beautiful here.
We found this like lakefront park.
So serene. It's like, I don't know. It's weird. It's crazy. It's like looking here and just across the water and you just see mountains, snow-capped mountains like that.
You want to go take a little walk?
Yes. Mine's plugged in, so I'll get some shots on that later too.
You know what's crazy is I've never swam in it because I always came in the winter when it was frozen.
Yeah.
Look at how
But if you
beautiful it
use Waze, I have to usually use Google Maps, but I could use Waze. If you use Waze, it'll tell you.
So basically this is one of the deepest lakes in America, right? Like there's all these like conspiracy theories that there's a bunch of dead bodies down there. And it's probably true. It's one of the oldest and deepest lakes. It's beautiful though. Fell?
I did almost fall.
That.
What are you doing?
Working. But hey, at least I have a nice view.
Show the people your view.
Focus. It's beautiful. I love Lake Tahoe. We're in South Lake Tahoe. Iris, say hi to your fans. They requested to see more of you. So this is what she does. When we have a nice view, we got some sunlight, she just lays on the dashboard, getting some sun, checking out the view. She really likes it when there's birds around. Right, Ivy? Oh, big yawn. Say hi. Someone just said, babe, look at Astro vans.
And then the back seat turns into a bed?
I should ask them if they want to see it.
Well, I want to get one because I want to be able to do shit like this.
Right, just chill
And
park.
just fucking park right here for the night.
Yeah, we can see it. A little messy now.
There is a bed in it.
Yes, I was just telling him off the
You can come look if you want to check it out.
Beds in both of them.
See? I told him I was looking at these Astro vans on Facebook Marketplace, and they're dope.
We're looking into buying another one.
You can come look if you
Y'all
want.
can look inside if you want.
For real?
Yeah.
Lakeside lunch. Right now we're just chilling at a park. I'm making some fried rice to eat and I'm working, and then later we might go explore the town, like the shops, or maybe do a little hiking trail and then head back to camp. Alrighty guys, I just finished up work and we drove to this trailhead. It's Moraine Trail. We're gonna do like a short 2-mile hike to Fallen Leaf Lake, and we're gonna bring you guys along on that, and then after that we're just gonna go run an errand real quick and then head back to camp for tonight. Probably do a fire, cook some pasta. But yeah, I'm excited to do this little trail and just get moving after sitting all day working.
This one is like busted and like.
Where do we go?
Cool.
How do we cross? So much water, so much snowfall. Over there on that rock.
Just walk up that way and then.
Or on this rock. Should I try it? No.
I'm recording.
I'm gonna fall in and be freezing.
I'm going this way.
You got his socks wet.
I did.
Told him it's too wet. You can hear frogs. Should be getting close to the lake. It's really nice out here. It's peaceful so far. No one else is out here.
All the way over there, you're gonna hear all these frogs. I know a lot of people with ponds and stuff that you don't have to have license fishing because it's on their property.
Thank you, cameraman.
You're welcome. Star of the show.
Wow.
Look at this pine cone.
Oh, that's me as a pine cone. Tall, long.
Tall and beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now this is a big tree. Cut. Oh, look at it. It's massive.
What's it look like from the other side? You gotta come see this.
It's a house.
You wanna go frog hunting?
No,
You wanna catch a frog?
you can't have any frogs.
They say you have to keep them.
Well,
You can look at them.
I dealt with enough frogs. So at the last house that I lived in, it was on a river, and somehow frogs were getting into my house. I think they were getting in through the drain, like the bathtub drain, funny enough, because they were always around the bathtub. So I caught and released like 10 frogs in the span of like a couple months. And then one day, the frog sound just stopped. So they were so loud like this. And I have no idea if they all died or if they all migrated somewhere else. I hope it was the latter, but yeah, it was a really weird time in my life.
This looks like it's wiped real quick. So there's this thing called Timber Tote, and at Tiny Fest we met some representatives of Timber Tote, and basically this is what it is. It's really cool. Sam and Colt got one of them. So it's literally just a piece of wood with a hole in the middle and then an air hole at the bottom, and it just burns for hours, and you can cook on top of it or use it as a fire, and once it's totally burned you can add more wood to it for it to become a full-blown fire. So they're gonna cook some burgers tonight on the Timber Tote with a cast iron pan. And yeah, I just thought this was cool that I could share with you guys. I've never seen anything like this before.
There's so many reasons. What if you're in the desert and you don't have wood? What if you want to cook on a real fire, but you don't have a freaking fire pit and all this equipment, you know? Like,
God, what if it's just like, dude, people care too much sometimes. Like, it's a piece of wood, honey. Please.
It's a piece of wood with a hole. Calm down.
It's not that serious, bruh.
Yeah, just put it on top. It's all gonna go together. If you guys haven't, you should try hash browns on your burgers. It's yum. We're camping out here with Aja. Enjoying that it's still light out. It's like 7 something.
No.
So happy. Especially when you live in a van, like out in nature, you know? It's nice to have more daylight.
For that.
Oh yeah. It's not good when you live in a vehicle and it gets dark quick.
Yeah.
The burger is fire.
What's so cool about cooking over the fire is it cooks so fast.
So fast.
Because
We're
it's so
still
hot.
gonna have to wipe the bottom of that. It's still gonna be black as fuck. But it's not gonna damage it. Like it tore the paint off the pan.
Oh,
Off of what?
The pan used to be blue, now it's not.
we used a regular pan last time.
A pot. Sorry. Pot.
Saucepan, whatever.
Yeah. We forgot our fucking kettle.
Oh yeah, we throw a kettle at home so.
Again.
We did that the other night.
Really?
We didn't notice till on nighttime I wanted to make tea, to make hot chocolate. And it was like looking all over, I was like, the kettle's not here! So we called my mom, we barely had service, and we're like, did we leave the kettle?
Timber Tote is pretty damn good.
Still having a fire from it.
It's
That
like
Timber
4 hours
Tote
later.
is fire. It's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. I'm heading back to Sacramento just to stop in real quick, say bye to my family, and take care of some things. Then we're finally making our way up to Oregon and Washington. I am super excited to go to the beach, to the forest, everywhere in between. And stay tuned if you want to see more of those adventures, and stay